this is gonna be the last time you hear this car with the stock exhaust. Why? Because we're gonna be changing this exhaust to the Centerline center exhaust, and it's gonna sound absolutely incredible, and it's gonna look amazing with the big fat tips coming out the middle. What's up, guys? All right, we're in the Alfa, and let's just say the box for the Centerline exhaust would not fit in the car, so I had to take out every single piece of the exhaust from the box and put it in the car. Now, I know a lot of you are cringing right now and saying, oh my God, that's so horrible, but don't worry, everything is wrapped up, everything is protected, and nothing in the car can get damaged as well. But yeah, I can't even put my arm down. Like, my arm has to stay up. But we're going to the mechanic shop now. We're gonna get this exhaust installed, because this Sunday we are going on a big rally to Bear Mountain, and I gotta have this exhaust put on ASAP. And this is like my only day off before then, so I literally have no other time. So we gotta get the Centerline exhaust put on. It's gonna look insane, and it should sound insane as well. All right, we got the diffuser off, this piece right here. Wow, it looks so naked without it. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. This is the Centerline exhaust. Albs is unwrapping everything. Ooh, and she looks beautiful. That is nice. It's gonna sound good. By Magniflow too.
Yes. Magniflow is very good brand. I use them all the time. Yeah, we have a Instagram page too, so you can.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you guys in the everything in the description. But yeah, I come here, Albs Auto Repair, all the time. I come for my Abarth, I come for the Alfa, I come for the Mustang. They always do a fantastic job. All right, so the next thing that has to come off is the big skid plate underneath the car. And then we put the new mid pipe in, and this one. I'm gonna let them work. I'm not gonna go under there because it's a tight spot. Skid plate is off. And this is underneath the Alfa 4C. Look how tiny that exhaust is. Look how tiny that is. This is all going to be changed out. Oh, look at this. And everything underneath here is fully covered, because it's got to protect the carbon fiber chassis. Look, the trans cooler right over here. There's the duct right over here that blows all the air right over here, all the cool air, which is really nice. I've never even seen this. So the trans cooler that's on that side, on the driver's side, brings all the cool air here to right here. This is really nice. There's your oil filter right above the axle, right there. All right, and soon we're gonna be getting that Centerline exhaust installed. All right, O2 sensor is out. Next, we're going to disconnect the mid pipe and everything else. She is out. Whew. The stock axle back exhaust is finally out. Look at that. Now they're going to be working on the mid pipe / flex pipe. That's coming out next. Ooh. She is out. All right, guys, it's official. Mid pipe / flex pipe and the back piece of the axle back exhaust is completely gone. It is out. This is what it looks like with nothing in it. You want to start it up? Open header. Now it'll be obnoxiously loud. Now we're going to take out the centerpiece and the corner pieces as well, because it comes with new guards. Okay, guys, here's underneath the Alfa without the mid pipe, the cap back. Here is This right here is the downpipe, but we're not going to be touching that now. Maybe later on in the future we'll change it, but not right now. Hey guys, this is what's holding in the grills, the mesh piece for the exhaust in the center and on the sides. This little clamp is what's holding it in. This little piece. Unbelievable.
Ready?
I'm ready. Oh, wow. The first mesh piece, the center mesh piece is finally out, and it was held on by these tiny, teeny little clips slash clamps. What was Alfa thinking on that part? I don't know. All right, so fun fact, the original mesh pieces, the original grills are held in with silicone. Straight from the factory from Alfa. And she is out.
And the silicone ready.
Look at that. Yeah, look at all the silicone.
Straight.
Straight from Alfa. And the new mesh piece is going to be held on with rivets. So we got to get the rivet gun and put that in.
And silicone, both.
And silicone. Rivet and silicone. All right, so the rivets were probably the most difficult part to get out because those were the rivets that he had to take out and they were impossible to come out. But he got them because he's the best. He can get anything done. All right, let's take a look at both the mid pipes slash flex pipe. All right, so this is the stock one. This is the new one from Centerline slash Magniflow. And if you look, let's put them up side by side. The new one is actually like a half an inch or something like that, a half an inch bigger than the stock one. So the sound is definitely going to be significantly louder than stock, which I'm super excited about. But yeah, so to the left is the old, to the right is the new. Sorry. But as you can see, the new one is definitely larger. All right guys, so this over here on the left hand side, this is the stock mesh grill that comes from the Alfa. The fit and finish of the quality of this one is beautiful. Okay, it's got a nice heavy design on the bottom over here that has a lot of support. But on the Magniflow Centerline one, there's no support anywhere, and this mesh is very flimsy. So I would say if they can up the quality on this mesh, that would definitely help out a lot, because this build material on the stock one is beautiful, okay, but this one is just very flimsy and it's just not up to par, but we're gonna make it work. The last piece of the puzzle is about to get installed. So we got the left mesh grill in and we got the right mesh grill in, and now we're gonna figure out the centerpiece and then the exhaust. Hold on. All right, so right now we're just testing the fit, and that looks incredible. The Centerline exhaust is gonna look so good coming out the middle. Looks so good, I can't wait. It's gonna sound louder too. Yeah, wait, let me get it.
No, we're gonna put it there.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Hold him out, you hold him?
I got it.
The lubrication.
All right, the mid pipe is gonna go in. Putting the rubber hangers back on. Oh, hold on. Got it?
I got it.
Let me get the clamp. This over here is the new clamp.
Instructions, you always read late. Last.
Who needs instructions these days? The other hanger is going on. This hanger is on. Other hanger is on as well, but we're going to keep everything nice and loose just so we can make some adjustments. Alright guys, the last part of the exhaust is being bolted up. And very soon we're gonna get our first cold start. I just wanted to show you underneath the car with the new exhaust system. It's not fully bolted on yet, but this is what it looks like underneath the car. So we have the Magniflow axle back part right over here. Okay, non-resonated, no muffler, nothing like that. It's a straight through design. Okay. And then if we come back over here, this over here is the new flex / mid pipe, and she is all bolted up, and the O2 sensor is back in there as well. And if you just take a quick look underneath the car, the entire car is completely covered. I totally forgot about that, but really nice job, Alfa. Good job. Completely covered, and the car is looking great. Again, this is the mid pipe. This is the mid pipe. It goes all the way up and around, and this is the back piece. And right now they are just finalizing the last pieces of the adjustment. They are readjusting everything, making sure everything's lined up properly, but this is looking really good. All right, skid plate is going back on the car. Okay, skid plate is on, and now the rear part of the rear diffuser is getting attached now. So excited, boys, so excited. All right, boys, everything is fully put back together. Skid plate is on, the rear diffuser is on. Most importantly, the new exhaust is put on. Very soon, we're gonna be lowering down the lift, and we are gonna get our first cold start. It is officially 100% fully installed. We're lowering down the car from the lift now, and we're about to get our first cold start.
Who's gonna press the button?
All right, boys, the car is finally down, and the exhaust looks phenomenal. It looks so good. Now, it is a proper sports / supercar with the center exhaust. It looks so good. The mesh grills on the side, the center exhaust. Whoo! It's gonna be good. All right, let's get that cold start. Hold on, I'm gonna put you right here. Hold on, little adjustment. Okay. All right, Al, give it its first cold start. Okay, do it again. Oh, that sounds so good. Let me get one more out. Woo, and she is spinning. All right, let me lower the frunk. Boys, that sounds so good. And it looks sick. thing sounds good. It looks so good. It actually makes the car look wider. Oh, that sounds so good. It's a lot more throatier. Wow. Thanks to Albs Auto Repair. Always does a fantastic job. I bring all my cars here. I bring my Alfa here. I bring my Ball 500 here. I bring my Mustang over here. These guys always take care of me. They do a great job. Phenomenal work. Always. Thank you so much. Thing sounds incredible. All right, so again, this is Albs Auto Repair, Staten Island, New York, 10314. This is their information right over here. All right. Wow, that looks so good. And the exhaust shakes too, which is pretty cool. Al, thanks buddy. He's a great guy right over here. All right guys, the Centerline center exhaust is fully 100% installed. Thank you to Eurocompulsion for getting this to me extremely fast. And then also thank you to Albs Auto Repair for getting this installed. Perfect install, no problems. Thing sounds absolutely incredible. Again, I trust these guys with all my cars. I've always brought my Ball 500 here, my Mustang over here, and I trust them so much that I brought them my Alfa Romeo 4C. I would never bring this car to any random shop. I only brought it here because I trust these guys and I know them for the last 10 years and they do phenomenal work. They really do. Well, we got to get some exhaust clips on this thing because this thing sounds nasty. It's definitely a touch louder than stock on idle. You know what? No, scratch that. It's like 5 times louder than stock. And right now I have the stock catalytic converter. Wow, it sounds so good. Yo guys, this Centerline exhaust sounds so good and it looks amazing. I think it fits really well with the Alfa. It should have came like this with center exhaust. Well, I know some Alfas do come with center exhaust, but I believe all the Alfas should have come with the center exhaust. All right guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.